This is a dream come true. Finally, a true daily trainer from Anta using PG7 midsole. Ito yung latest nila, PG7 Ultra. And this is G21 version 4. And for reference, nakagamit na ako halos lahat ng travel models nila and float models na naka PG7 midsole. And those models are really designed for easy and recovery runs. Kaya sabi ko sana maglabas din ng Anta na kasing lambot ng travel and float models nila pero mas bouncy and responsive for faster runs. Kaya ito, sa wakas meron na. And after using this sa run kanina, I have 4 words to describe this. First, it is soft, it is light, it is bouncy, and it is stable. Yung softness niya, it has the same PG7 softness which made it very famous. And mas firm lang siya ng konting-konti. And then pagiging light niya, it's light, 277 grams for size 10 US or 44. Magaan siya for a daily trainer. Especially 28mm and 36 sa likod. Makapal siya and magaan. When I run kanina, na-feel ko talaga yung gaan niya. Especially nung binibilisan ko yung pace. From slow to accelerating fast, na-feel ko yung lightness niya. Kaya malaking bagay yung magaan for a daily trainer. Then bouncy, yes, fast ang rebound niya. Very responsive pag binilisan ko yung takbo. Describe ko lang yung feeling niya. So, pagkalan kong ganyan and binilisan ko yung takbo, na-feel ko na talagang sumasabay siya sa effort ko. Hindi siya masyadong naglalag or wala masyadong delay. Kaya very responsive siya. So maganda siya sa mga sprints, sa mga fast intervals. Okay, so hindi tayo mahihirapan sa mabibilis sa pace. At the same time, soft din siya for easy runs. Kaya okay na okay for daily runs. And this is stable. Unang gamit ko pa lang, na-feel ko agad malambot siya. And at the same time, hindi siya wobbly. Very supported ang weight natin. Change of direction maganda, hindi tayo unstable. And then I feel na malaking bagay itong part na to, naka-usling midsole na yan. Talagang nafe-feel ko na hino-hold niya yung position ko. Okay, lalo sa mga tight corners. So malambot siya, at the same time very stable siya. Malaking bagay itong nilagyan nila ng ganito. Support yan sa mga lateral movements. Ito, para sa arch. Okay? Sinusuport din yung arch natin para mas stable tayo. Again, more or less, this has 28mm stack height dito and 36 stack height dito. So, this has 8mm drop. So, this could be considered a very versatile sub-maximal cushioned running shoes. Meaning, you can use this for easy runs, recovery runs, moderate pace runs, fast intervals, and long runs. And sabi ng Anta, design talaga to for medium to long distance training runs. And yung price niya, yun ang maganda. Yung price niya is only half compared dun sa mga famous models ng ibang brands with the same category. So if you want to check the price and color options, madaming color options to, pero ito yung pinaka gusto ko. May isa pa akong gusto sa kanila. I'm planning to order one. Mas lighter yung color naman para pampalit ko dito. Kasi to be honest, gustong-gusto ko siya. Kaya kung interested kayo, paki-check yung yellow basket. Kasi I'm sure mabilis mauubos to. Okay? Thank you.